Hello everyone and welcome to our SEMRUSH series. To those who have been following our playlist, welcome back. And to those who are here for the first time, then I welcome you all to our SEMRUSH or our channel where we do reviews and tutorials of different SEO tools in the market, and as well as sample them in behalf of those who are wanting to see what these tools can do for their business. So basically, we are still going through the SEO tools under SEMrush, and we are on the last segment, I think, which is here on page and tech SEO, and we're about to finish the SEO category. And today we'll be focusing on SEO content templates. So this is a tool or a feature, or actually, a template that allows you to generate actionable briefs for SEO friendly content with just a few clicks. So this is a tool that will allow you to improve your SEO performance by giving you sort of like a template where you can check metrics about your content. I'll discuss it more later on when we use the tool. So here just some information about what we can expect from the SEO content template. So basically, these are SEO recommendations for your content. Once you provide a keyword, then you'd be able to receive or get these recommendations, like this: key recommendations, basic recommendations, your top 10 Google rivals, your websites that you would want to have backlinks on. Later on, we'll be able to view all of those. Here, you'll be able to learn from your competitors about how they use their keywords, what tactics or strategies are they utilizing or employing to be able to successfully use all of these keywords to their advantage. And then if you're working with content writers, or if you are a content writer as well, then this will be such a helpful tool for you, because then you would be able to gauge your SEO performance or see the SEO metrics right away, and you can make changes accordingly. So that's basically about it. These ones, let me just go over them quickly. So this is the SEO content template overview. Just an overview, some more information about the tool, and then some FAQs here. If you want to read about all of these, then head on over to semrush.com, and then you would want to create a free trial account to be able to have access to these tools. So that's it for the SEO content template overview. The other two are just some how-tos, some articles about how to optimize your content, and also using SEMrush to create SEO-friendly content briefs. So that's just all about those. So let's just go back here and utilize the tool now so that we'll be able to see how it works real time. So I'm just gonna use this one I used as a sample previously, so I'm just gonna use that again, and let's now create a content template. It's not even doesn't even take much time. So here, because I've already created one prior and we're just using a free trial account, so it's limited, I can only access one template. So let's just view this one. Anyway, that's still the same one that I've used prior, and here are the results that for that keyword. I use the keyword PDF QR code, and these are the results. So imagine if you're using, or if you are an owner of a QR code generator company, then these are your top 10 Google rivals, or top 10 rivals in Google, and these are the ones that you want to look out for because they're doing well in terms of ranking, so you would want to outrank them. So that's the goal. And then here you have some keywords or key recommendations rather, semantically related words, backlinks, websites that you would want to have backlinks on that are linking back to your page, readability, text length, so recommended text length in case you're doing content. These are examples of how your competitors, or our competitors, since I'm the one who entered that keyword, these are how our competitors are using the keywords to their advantage and to be able to rank in the SERP. So yeah, that's just an example right there. And then here you have some basic recommendations, and I think this is a really nice touch because then you would be able to have some tips that you can use when you're creating these articles, like this for the page title, meta description, even for headings and things like that. There's another tab right here, which is a real-time content check, where you'd be able to copy paste or import your text over here, and then you'd be given immediately results on the metrics right here on this side. So yeah, that's basically it for content, SEO content template. It's an amazing tool, especially if you are dealing heavily with SEO, and even for writers, it's gonna be a great tool for you to gauge if you're really utilizing SEO to your advantage. So yeah, basically we're done for this tool, and we're gonna be doing more of them. So please stay tuned in, and I want to thank you all for watching. I hope you learned a lot from this tutorial / review, and yeah, see you on the next one.